Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming where the problem is and preserving your data. Open Notes, tap Folders, and note whether items are in iCloud, on my iPhone, or a third-party account. This determines recovery steps. Once done, check settings right arrow Apple ID right arrow iCloud to ensure Note Sync is enabled and confirm iOS version and free storage. Make a quick backup. Export or copy essential notes to files or an email so you can restore if a fix alters content. You now attempt recovery and force a clean sync. First, check recently deleted and run a text search using unique phrases. Sometimes notes are misfiled. If missing, go to settings right arrow Apple ID right arrow iCloud and toggle notes off then on to trigger a sync. Wait several minutes. Next, update iOS if available and restart the device to clear temporary caches. If notes are tied to another account, sign into that account's mail/notes settings and re-enable notes there. You finish by ensuring changes stick and establishing recovery steps. If sync didn't recover content, restore from an iCloud or device backup made before the issue. This recovers lost items. Once restored, export important notes to files or another account and turn on automatic iCloud backups so you avoid repeat loss. If problems persist, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in to refresh authentication. One key troubleshooting tip: if sync remains broken, contact Apple.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.